Namaste, I am Sunanda Shetty. Welcome back to my channel Suresh Shorthand Academy. Today I will be teaching exercise 37. This is a passage. Please try to read, copy and transcribe. You know how to practice this, and after 10 times practicing I will give you dictation. Please take neatly and with concentration. First of all, you have to try how to read the passage which is written in shorthand. Then copy the same passage in your notebook. The learning from this exercise is to read and transcribe. That is, write the same in English. Okay. Actually, you have to practice exercise 37 minimum 10 times. Then only you will be able to take my dictation, as well as understand where you have done any mistakes. Now I will be taking dictation of exercise 37 in English. Ready? The first cost of the new styles may be heavy, but it will soon be repaid by the saving in waste and by the immense sales which will follow. Full stop. Business must be influenced by the fact of our having the best and cheapest and latest styles to show to customers, and we think they will endorse our hopes. Full stop. We are seeking, also, to influence the big buyers to ask to see the new designs, and if they can be induced to look at them, we think business must follow. Full stop. Today we have completed exercise 37. In my next video, I will be teaching exercise 38, that also passage. If you have any doubts or questions, please put it in the comment box. Do hit the like button if you liked my video. And if you are watching my video for the first time, then do like and subscribe my channel. If you have missed my previous video, please find the link in the description box. Thank you.